would the native English speaker phrase this sentence to sound more natural? I thought that the lying illness would affect my chance of passing the exam. I thought that the lying illness would affect my chance of passing the exam. Let me provide some supplementary insight into this matter. Affect something verb, have an effect on something noun. Compare. There is no doubt that smoking affects people's health. There is no doubt that smoking has an effect on people's health. When used as a verb, affect means bring about. The new president effected several major changes. How would you phrase this in a spoken English? Many women stop smoking during pregnancy because of effects to the baby. Many women stop smoking during pregnancy because of the effects on the baby. To provide more context, let me introduce this additional point. Effect on somebody or something. These phrase can have harmful effects on the skin. How would this be worded in conversational English? British farmers receive only a little aid since their farms are relatively effective. British farmers receive only a little aid since their farms are relatively efficient. What's the instinctive wording for this in English? Aspirin is very effective to relieve pain. Aspirin is very effective in relieving pain. Let me shed more light on this matter. Be effective in doing something. Doctors soon realized that this drug was also effective in relieving the symptoms of arthritis. Could you give me the real talk version of this sentence? We finally got to see the secretary who confirmed that there was effectively a young man being held in prison. We finally got to see the secretary who confirmed that there was indeed a young man being held in prison. Here are some additional details to round out the explanation. Effectively is used to show that you are describing what a particular situation is really like, especially when this is not obvious. Indeed is used to confirm that something is true, especially something that the person suspects but is unsure about. How would this be worded in conversational English? The medicine proved very efficient. The medicine proved very effective. How would you phrase this to sound more like a native? We need more efficient ways of dealing with pollution or problem will get worse. We need more effective ways of dealing with pollution or problem will get worse. To give you a more comprehensive understanding, consider this additional insight. Efficient, working quickly and without waste. Effective, having the desired effect.